This is how you set the limits on your Merlin roller door motor. Travel limits set how far your door goes up and down, and your opener must also be configured for right or left hand installation. If not, the door will rotate in the reverse direction. Setting the right or left hand operation. Ensure the door is positioned halfway and the opener is engaged, which means it's out of manual mode. You do this by pulling on the red cord. Now start by turning the opener power on. The courtesy light will switch on shortly after. Okay, now you can press the P button for 5 seconds until LED 3 flashes, as well as LED 2 or LED 1 will flash. For a right hand installation, LED 2 will flash, and for a left hand installation, LED 1 will flash. To change to the opposite setting, simply press the S button and the opposite LED will flash. When the correct hand setting is selected, press and release the P program button to accept this setting. Okay, now we can set the door limits. Press and hold the up button until the door reaches the desired open position. You can toggle between up and down buttons to move the door to the correct position, but make sure there is enough room for your vehicle to pass under the door. Once you've got the correct height of the door, press and release the P program button to accept this setting. Okay, now to set the down limit, press and hold the DN button or down button until the door reaches the desired closed position. You can also toggle between the up and down buttons to move the door to the correct position. Once you have the desired down position, press and release the P button, the program button. LED 2 should flash to indicate you are now in force learn mode. So now we're going to set the force automatically. Press and release the up button. The door will travel to the open position with LED 2 flashing. Now you might be wondering why I'm holding onto the door while it's being calibrated. Because the opener sets the force automatically, a lot of the time it's a bit too sensitive, especially on older doors. So this is the only way to trick the opener to set the force a little bit higher, and it will give you a lot less issues in the future. Now press and release the DN or down button. The door will travel to the closed position with LED 1 flashing. When fully closed, LED 1 will stop flashing and the courtesy light will change to full power. This process is now complete. You have successfully set the limits on your Merlin roller door opener. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.